Hi there. I've just disassembled the blower unit of Proton Exora, as you can see here. Okay, that's the airbag. That's the electronic control unit ECU, and over here now left with the cooling unit. Cooling. You can see cooler unit assembly. Going to take this off. Now you can see the coil inside. Yeah. So counting the screws up here, looks like should be able to do it. Alright. Hey, so far I managed to detect 5 screws from here. The first one from the cooler unit, the first nut, and then the second nut, and second nut to that. The third nut over here, the third nut, right, third nut, and then the fourth nut, and last, the fifth nut over there. And now I'm going to unscrew the nut behind, in front. Now this is the front part of the expansion valve. I just unscrew the end bolt and then I pull it out just like that. Both of them coming out together. Okay. And there's some oil leakage. I guess that's the refrigerant oil. It smells like, to my surprise, there's a number 6 cooling unit screw, which is located over here, as you can see. Over there. Yeah, this one. Exactly, it's been hidden. Alright. Hey there. I found the number 7 cooling unit screw, which is located over here. Okay. This one. And there's one inside there. Over here. Maybe you can see it. Alright, finally I managed to take out the cooling unit right here, as you can see, and it took me 7 screws in total. Alright, as you can see over here, and this is the internal look. Here is the cooling unit, and I'm trying to figure out how to take this out. Alright. Hey there, I just pulled it together with the expansion valve, as you can see here, and there's a thermistor attached. I'm going to unplug it. Let's have a look. This is the cooling coil, and you can see there's a temperature sensor attached onto the coil of the cooling unit. Right, let's inspect. Damn, I don't know where we need to pry open with a tiny screwdriver. Alright. Now I'm showing you the internal part. Alright. ECU socket. And these are all belongs to the blower, okay? Alright. And then this is the high pressure and low pressure side of the cooling body. Alright, and then now here is the location of the cooling coil. Let's have a look inside. Below, upper side, and I didn't open the dashboard. Alright, and here close the aircon. I think there's a hole for water. Yeah. Hi, this is the old cooling coil.
Hi.
The expansion valve. And then the cover. And this is the dirt. Okay. Water vapor accumulates here. It might drip water. And then this is the part facing the aircon. And this is the temperature sensor. Alright, over here. Okay, I'm going to test by compressing air into inlet and outlet. Now I'm going to test the cooling coil whether it has leakage, and I have removed the evaporator valve from the cooling coil, as you can see over here. Oh shit, I can't do focus. Okay, and then like this, it looks like this and like this. Okay, alright. And the bolt is rusty. One of the bolt is rusty. Okay, need to replace the O-ring as well. The test for leakage. Alright, notice I can use my hand to cover one of these holes, use my finger to cover the hole here, and insert silicone tubing into another tube. So let's try. I notice I'm going to test. Already. Okay, another side. Insert this thing into here. Okay. And oops, it's going to move. Damn it. Hi there. I'm going to install the new cooling coil into the Proton Exora. I'm using the old expansion valve. Okay, I'm just trying it out. Okay, I know we need to change the expansion valve. It might cause the blockage. Okay, and then one thing to tell is, as you see over here, there's only one screw here, but right there are two screws. One of the screws get too rusty and I have to buy a new one replacement, so I install one screw first. Now I need to put back the thermistor back into the cooling coil, which has a designated position, wire holder, and there's a cooling coil position. Hi there, I managed to insert the cooling coil into the cooling coil container. Okay, you can see over here, right, and here. And don't forget about the thermistor. This is the thermistor, remember. Alright, okay, I'm going to install the cooling coil. Take note that there are actually 7 screws in this cooling coil. It should be oriented like this. Hey, let me count for you. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 and 7. Okay, repeat. Alright. Okay, finally I've managed to put back the cooling coil container back to its place. So the reason that it's blocking me is because I need to make sure that this rubber valve is fitted correctly. Alright, and I actually pull it behind a little bit. It makes the placing easier. And over here there are alignment double pins, plastic double pin, where you need to make sure they align properly. Okay, make sure they align properly. So I've just screwed back the M10 board of the aircon compressor. Okay, it requires some pull. There's a resistor in this wire. You need to pull it over here in order to put the hose into the expansion valve. Okay, remember, after putting back the M10 Allen key bolt at the front side, remember to put back, oh fuck, remember to put back all the screws. Number 1, the 7th, there are 7 screws over there. Okay, there's 7 screws, 1, and then 1, and then number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, okay, 5, 6, and 7, okay. Next, I need to put back this blower unit assembly back into the cabin. Since I have already broke my blower unit assembly, as you can see here, it's broken. Alright, okay, it's hang over here, and then there's two screw. I broke the screw location, so it will be much easier to just detach this first and insert the blower assembly, then only you put this back in. And if you are trying to put the blower back into the drawer, make sure to pull off this and these two covers on your left hand side. Hi, after putting back the blower, okay, make sure to put back this and insert this screw. Okay, there's one screw here, another one hiding inside here, another one over here, and remember to put this back in. Okay, put this back in. Alright. Okay, I'm going to top up the refrigerant. Okay, vacuum, and then this one. Both are in vacuum. Okay, high side and low side. Vacuum pump and the refrigerant open. Okay, 3148. Wow, after running, this thing is sweating, my friend. It's cold. It's cold and sweating, you see? This is the low pressure side and the high pressure side. High pressure side gets in and expands, okay? You cool down. And after cool down, it becomes low pressure. Alright. And I hear some noise, humming sound coming from the engine. Alright. Hey there. Yesterday I've just fixed my Proton Exora cooling coil, and then now it's actually been 2 minutes. I insert the thermometer, digital thermometer, into the coil. I've put the refrigerant to the right amount, and this is the temperature. Let's see how low will it get. Hi there, this is the next day. I already tried to insert the refrigerant into the Exora, the Proton car, and it turns out that it worked successfully. There was no smell of the refrigerant. Very good. So what's next for me is to install back the SRSA back.